After some hard miles, we racked out early. But waking up at sunrise, still harsh. At least staying warm is easy. We're nomads on a mission. Ready to go at a moment's notice. Self-sufficient. With all our gear close at hand. So we're ready for any size challenge. Limitless sky, narrow trails, the further the better. Searching for the new keeps us grounded, connected, and always pushing our boundaries. Find your frontier.